everybody, it is me, Mystic. Yes, I'm back in a new world. This place is called Cozy Cabin. Cozy Cabin, that is Coys. That's how you spell it. If I get it wrong, I'm sorry. I'm here because the sound of thunderstorms, the sound of rain, helps relax the body and the mind. Like you could just close your eyes and just fall asleep. The sound of thunder and lightning. It is a pretty cozy place to be in, and it's not that much to explore because it's small and there's stuff, but basically that's it. It's just like a chill world. Like you just want to be here if you want to. Come check it out if you want. Cozy Cabin. That's the world's name. And I'm gonna spell it again. If I get it wrong, I'm sorry. Coys. That's how you spell it. Matter of fact, I think I have it here. Yeah, right here. I got it right here. Check it out if you want. And believe me, you will love the sound of the thunderstorms and the rain here. And I'll see you later. Bye.